I just wanted to show a few of the things that I've added on since I've had the Argonaut Camper and taken it out and tested for the last year. The side steps were one of the very first things. I noticed that my feet, because it sits so high off the ground, my feet were just dangling and it wasn't very comfortable. I feel like these steps have contributed a lot and I really enjoy them. I also mounted the spare tire on the rear, on the trailer. I built my own bracket. It has a trailer hitch receiver down on the bottom. Then I also added a cargo rack, and it also goes into a receiver hitch that I welded to the frame. I'd like to also point out that these jacks have really been handy. They work excellent. I find that I can level the trailer up extremely fast with these, and they're strong enough to where I can jack it up and I can change a tire or do any maintenance I need to do. This bracket is for the patio umbrella holder. The other half of that patio umbrella is mounted right here under the frame, and the two pin together and then bolt. Those are the main improvements that I've made, and I've had no regrets about anything on this trailer so far.